Jigsaw. This is an old cat.
It's not.
One day, about 7.5 years ago, this cat just came on our porch. And he just sat there. And it was 4 degrees out. And the wind was howling. And he just sat there waiting. Every time we'd open the door, he'd be sitting there with this cute look on his face. Saying, "Please, please, sir. It's so cold out here. Please, it's so cold. Won't you let me in?" And we ignored him for as long as possible. And then we just said screw it, and we let him in. And we named him Jigsaw, after the killer in Saw. Why? I don't know. I just thought it would be cool. Psst, psst, psst. Look at me, Jigsaw. Look at me. Say hi. See? He's not like Winter. Well, maybe a little, but he's not as much as an attention whore. He's more of like, I'm just gonna sit here and sleep. And he snores. This cat snores like you wouldn't believe. We don't know how old he is because he just arrived one day. But he's here now. Look at the camera. Come on. Jigsaw. Jigsaw. Oh. That's it. There you go. There you go. Look at that face. Look at that schmooze. Say hi to the camera. Ooh. Say bye. Ah, don't claw my stomach, you son of a bitch.